and I'll be doing activity number 23, which is cooking. So let's start. Right now I'll be cutting the salads things, or vegetables and fruits. After that I'll assemble them in the way. So first I'm cutting a watermelon piece. Then I'll take these, which is another form of cucumber.
We call it in Hindi?
We call it kakdi in Hindi. So I've cut these for the hands and these for the legs. Now let's cut the strawberry. So I'm cutting the strawberry to make a plant. Then we'll cut the kiwi to make the sun. Then I'll cut some cucumber to make the face. Now I'll cut one grape for the eyes. Now let's assemble them. First I'll start with putting the sun. So here I put the sun. Now here is the face, body, hands, legs, and here are the grapes. I think the grapes are too big, so I'll just cut them. Okay, so this is one eye and this is the other. So now we have left with the grass and the plants. So here I have put my plants. Now I'll put some mushroom. For again the plants. Now I'll cut a grape for making the butterfly. Here is one of our butterfly. I'll make another of them. Here's the second butterfly. Now I'll put these cones to make the flower around the butterfly. I'll put another of them on the other one. Now let's cut the dhania to put the grass. Now let's put the grass. I'll cut some mushroom for the clouds. Here goes one cloud. Here goes the another one. Now we'll put some grass in dhania. Now I'll tell you the benefits of this treat, as it is oil free, so it's really healthy. It has really much minerals and vitamins. It has a lot of vitamin C, and if you eat the cucumber and grapes and watermelon, they are really nice for summers as they give you a lot of water. Thank you.